Yeah, so today was a great day here at Neath. The goal is to start, put the Notts batters under a huge amount of pressure. And we really didn't go for many runs at the start. And then through the middle, Andy Gorban got a career best fifer and took some great wickets there to restrict them to probably a target that we thought was under par. With some small boundaries here and fast outfield at Neath. And then batting with Colin there through the middle, I think we always felt in control of that chase. And Smaley up top playing some beautiful shots to get us off to a fly and a good start. So we were always ahead of that rate and in control of the game. And then batting with Colin, always really knew what was going on out there, how we were looking to approach the game, and we were ahead of the rate the whole time. So yeah, great day here at Neath. Really great crowd came out to support us, so we really enjoyed that. And more of the same on Friday, we hope.